how to sign out or log out of Mem.ai application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are learning how you can easily sign out of the Mem.ai app whether you are switching account, using a shared device, or just want to log out for security. First of all, launch open the Mem.ai application on your smartphone and make sure you are inside the home page. From the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon, and then you will see this expanded menu where you'll find the sign out button. Tap on it. Before signing out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials that you previously used for logging in. To confirm the sign out process, click sign out, and then you have been logged out of your Mem.ai application. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you.